Hi there, students. To pay through the nose. To pay through the nose for something. This is an idiom. It means to pay a very high price for something, either in money or in some other way. So I had to call out a plumber at midnight on a Saturday night. And clearly he made me pay through the nose. I had to pay an exorbitant price. But notice it's not always just money. The team's best player has just been sent off and the team are now down to 10 players. They are really going to pay through the nose for that. So the other team are going to punish them. They're going to score lots of goals. Pay through the nose. This is paying in another way. At restaurants, very often they make you pay through the nose for the wine. They charge you much more than it's worth. So to pay through the nose, to cost an arm and a leg, to pay over the odds, to pay more than the reasonable normal price. Yeah, to pay through the nose. My kid brother caught me lying to my mother, and now he's going to make me pay through the nose for it. Yeah, he's going to blackmail me mercilessly. When I was a kid, Dr. Martin's boots used to be really cheap, but nowadays you have to pay through the nose for them. They're really expensive. Tourist traps are designed to make the tourists pay through the nose for everything. So, what about formality? I think I would give this a 4 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, use it in an informal writing, but I think if you're writing semi-formally or formally, to pay an exorbitant price, to pay a high price, to pay an unreasonable price. Yeah? So, to pay through the nose, to pay a high price for something, maybe in money, maybe in some other way. Now, what about the origin? Well, there are various suggestions about the origin. The first one I read was about a 17th century Italian proverb that says, often rich men will make you pay through the nose for something that they could sell you much more cheaply. It's possible. And there was another suggestion that this comes from 9th century Ireland and what they called the Danish Nose Tax. Well, in the 9th century there were loads of Vikings, I think. Were they Vikings? I think, yeah, there were still probably Vikings in Ireland. And that's why Danish. And if you didn't pay your taxes, then they slit your nose. Yeah, so this was an encouragement to make you pay your taxes, and they called that the Danish Nose Tax. So like that, you are paying through the nose. Okay, so to pay through the nose, an informal way of to say to pay too high a price, or you're going to have to pay a price but not a financial one. It's going to cause you difficulty and problems, a lot of hard work or unpleasant jobs. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To pay through the nose.